Alright.
Oh, when you come and popcorn with
No water.
I am some cream people take it and that's down in
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Sunday. So we had a very long day yesterday. We came home around, I think about near 8 o'clock in the night. We come home. Very long day. Traffic, all of those things in the evening, and it was very tiring. And also when I came home yesterday evening, I wasn't feeling so well. When I come, I don't know what it was. I'm gonna feel like more than likely I something when I eat, but I never feel good when I come home. I feel absolutely awful, but such is life. I made a little tea in the night before I went to bed, and I feel better this morning. That is gonna help me pack away that all of the rest of the stuff. I'll show you guys when I'm doing that. But at this moment I'm heating up some food. Mom did a little breakfast, so I'm going to have that. Then try to just, you know, get my day started in a way. Change out of my pajamas and stuff like that. I'm trying to take the Sunday very slow. I am not trying to stress out myself today. I have school coming up next week. Am I ready? I have no idea, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have lunch because it's 2:26, so I'm going to have lunch now. And once I'm done with lunch, I think I'm just going to like fold up clothes. I don't need to come back for that, but when I start packing up the stuff in the kitchen, then I'm gonna show you guys, because our kitchen is deplorable right now. Hi guys, today is Tuesday. So yeah, today is Tuesday. Though I started this vlog from Sunday evening, I have not gotten the chance to come back until today. Yesterday, went on the road, came back home, really tired, it was hectic, packed up the kitchen. I didn't get to show you guys that because it was just really quick, the last amount of things that we had left to do, so I just packed it up really quickly. So it's Tuesday morning. First thing, we're having a lot of wind this morning. That's number one. Like, I realized that it's very windy outside, and it's kind of, you know, the sun is going in and out. So I was thinking of doing laundry today, but that's a high chance I'm not going to bother doing. So this morning it's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:31. Anyways, I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna make some. What, the breeze?
I love it.
Yeah, it's very windy. Oh, no, is that it? Should I use those? So I'm going to make some bright banana pancakes for breakfast, and then I think so last night I was supposed to make when I went on the road, I bought chicken. I was gonna make like a chicken sandwich with some fries and stuff, but I didn't. Mom made soup and I had soup instead. It was really good. So I had soup 2 times, and this morning I'm just going to, you know, make my banana pancakes, and then for lunch I'll make like a late-ish lunch. I'll make my chicken sandwich with some fries. For dinner, I don't know what I'm doing as yet, but we'll figure that out along the way. Okay guys, so my breakfast is finished. This is just some banana pancakes, a little bit of syrup, some confectioner sugar, icing sugar. Just dusted it on in there. I've been liking doing that lately. I don't know why. It's a little different taste. Anyways, I'm going to eat breakfast now. Oh, I'm gonna make an iced coffee, and then I'm gonna eat breakfast, and then after breakfast I think I'm gonna edit a video. Once I'm done editing that, I'm gonna make lunch. Okay guys, so it's what time now? It's 5:17. I'm bending because of where the camera is. I'm gonna make my dinner now. Let me show you what I did. So I prepped before the stuff I was going to need, because I'm doing just like a chicken sandwich with some fries and whatnot. So had bought chicken breast the day before, and I just deboned it, just like, you know, filleted the chicken breast a bit, and I made just a breading for it myself. just, you know, the regular little breading stuff, flour, egg wash, and instead of breadcrumbs I used some cornflakes, because we have a cornflakes here, but it not really work out in a cereal form with milk. It gets very soggy, so I just use it as a breading instead. And then it was a really big piece of breast, so I split it into two, filleted one piece, and then the next piece here I made like some little, you know, some little nuggets with the same breading and coating on there as well. So I have my pot right here on the stove. It's heating up. Fries, but I bought fries in the supermarket. I was looking for potatoes, like, you know, do them myself, but at the time when I went there they didn't have any in the morning, so I'm just going to use the pot that I found, and these aren't bad either. I have my bread and stuff in the fridge that I'm gonna use as well, so I'm just gonna let this pot heat up, and then once it's hot then I start. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later in the night now, and I'm gonna end the vlog. As you can see that I made dinner, already ate dinner and stuff, and I was watching a show, this new show that I'm watching. I really like it. What else? I really didn't do much today, honestly, just mostly cooking, did some editing, and then also I was filming some stuff differently. But that's really about it. As much as I try to take the week slow, I really don't want to be doing too much to tire out myself, because I have school coming up on Sunday. But even though I have school coming up on Sunday, I need to take one of these days to do like a full room reset, cleaning, wiping, changing everything, just getting a new vibe and feel to the room, freshen up everything so that I can go into the starting of school with a fresh, clean environment. So that's what I'm trying to do. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to, you know, like, comment, subscribe. What else? No, I think that's just about it. And I will see you guys in the next vlog, so look out.